Welcome to Leatherings, the podcast that explores iconic style statements. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the exceptional features of the Zayn Malik Leather Jacket. Are you searching for a leather jacket that exudes style and leaves a lasting impression? Look no further than the Zayn Malik Leather Jacket. This jacket, famously worn by the one and only Zayn Malik, is sure to elevate your look and make you feel like a true badass. Crafted from 100% genuine leather, this jacket strikes the perfect balance between style and durability. The use of genuine leather ensures that you're getting a high-quality piece that will withstand the test of time. The Zayn Malik Leather Jacket features a zipper closure, allowing for easy and secure fastening. The shirt-style collar adds a touch of sophistication to the overall design, making it a versatile choice for various occasions. The rib-knitted cuffs not only provide a snug fit but also add a subtle element of texture and style. This attention to detail enhances the jacket's overall aesthetic, making it a standout piece in your wardrobe. Functionality meets style with the two-sided waist zipper pockets. These pockets not only offer practical storage for your essentials but also add a trendy touch to the jacket's design. They provide a perfect blend of utility and fashion. Available in classic black, the Zayn Malik Leather Jacket offers versatility, allowing you to effortlessly pair it with any outfit. Whether you're going for a casual look or aiming to make a bold fashion statement, this jacket is the perfect choice. Whether you're a die-hard fan of Zayn Malik or simply seeking a stylish and edgy leather jacket, the Zayn Malik Leather Jacket is a must-have. It embodies confidence, individuality, and a rebellious spirit. So, if you're ready to make heads turn and leave a lasting impression, order your very own Zayn Malik Leather Jacket today. Embrace your inner badass and let your style speak volumes. That concludes today's episode of Leatherings. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of the exceptional features of the Zayn Malik Leather Jacket. Join us next time as we continue to uncover iconic style statements that inspire and empower. Until then, stay stylish and embrace the power of fashion.